Hey friends, my name is Michael, and in my YouTube channel I make videos about starting small scale businesses. So in this video I'm going to tell you how we make colored school chalk, and of course, as commercial school chalk producers, we use the IMM guide metal machine for commercial school chalk production. Here what you're seeing, we have already mixed our material and put it in the machine, so we are trying to remove our fully made school chalk. Remember, school chalk takes 8 minutes to solidify in our machine before it is removed. Now here it is already put in the tray and it is ready for drying. As I told you before, that school chalk is one of those lucrative ventures you can think about in the year 2025. Why? Because school chalk production cost is very low. School chalk production per box is 1,500 Uganda shillings, and school chalk in your area, I believe it is above 3,000 per box. It means that there is a lot of profits in making school chalk. Remember, these machines and molds are all available with us here for sale, so you can contact me on the number you see on the screen for details. We train, sell machines, and have all the materials required for commercial school chalk production. This is a business that many people have not ventured in today. If you want to prove this, just check in your area how many people are doing school chalk. How many school chalk manufacturers do you know? Like this video, share to the friend, and we wait in the next episode of my production process. We share other skills like shoe polish, soap making, school chalk making, and also candle making. We also have respective materials and machines for all those skills.